Got 5 Microtech knives unboxing over here. I think I spent over $1,600 for all of them, so they're quite expensive. You cannot buy them on eBay, on Amazon, probably on their website or something like that. But yeah, this is automatic knives. Let's see what they're all about. This one kind of unique. It has a silver logo to it. So quite nice box, nice packaging. And boom, I picked out this green one. It's on purpose, looks scratched up as you can see, and there is no safety or anything. All you have to do is just click forward, click back. That's it. How cool is that? Look at that blade, serrated. What is this, a bottle opener? Maybe. Pretty cool. I have really strong fingers, but it does takes a little bit of pressure to actually let it to fly out. After a while you kind of get tired. Yeah, beautiful design. Check this out. This is some kind of like elephant skull or something. Microtech 03-2021. Wow, it actually tells you when it was made and a number. Wow, that is unique. I love that green and red, like Jurassic Park kind of style. Interesting knife. Really like that a lot. So what else we have here? There's a stonewash standard, and there's a number for it in case you guys interested. Ooh, look at that box. That's awesome. So it's easy to open it. Okay, let's see. Very nice ridges over here. You see smooth out. Is there a window breaker? Not super sharp. I'm not really sure what this for. Interesting though. So let's try it out. Wow, this one you really have to push a lot more for it to fly out. That's so satisfying, I'll tell you what. Okay, what it says over here? There's a blade, everything about it, USA. Very interesting design. Love it. Quite thick. This is a dagger style. Little dots in the inside of it. Wow, there's a handle right here. 2021 Microtech and a serial number, I guess. Look at that button. Love it. I love their logo. I guess that's some kind of big bird, like a bald eagle, maybe claw or something. Awesome. Okay, next one. Oh, by the way, what's on the box? Just says red standard and all this markings to it. Okay, this one, as you can see, much smaller. I think the law around here where I'm at, the only law not to conceal them. That's it. So as long as you like put it maybe on the front of your pocket, so that way it's not concealed, it's legal to have it. But I don't even know. I just have it in my collection. I'm probably gonna put them in a safe. It's so unique and nice. Look how tiny this one is. I really like that. It is so satisfying. And again, that's not that simple to push it forward, in and out. This is nice. I've seen some people had to use 2 hands. Love it. Okay, couple more. Let's see what I got here. Combat Trudon, Distress Molot, Apocalyptic Full Standard, and all these numbers. Beautiful. Okay, this one is a little bit different. Maybe the same, it's just upside down. Okay. Oh, this one is a bigger one. That is my size. I really like design a lot. You see how it's painted and looks like it's been used. So it's interesting. You see how it scratches, so that way you just ready to work, and if you put a scratch on it, not a big deal because it looks like it's supposed to be. Another like a window breaker, maybe, I don't know, it's not sharp, but maybe it's still a window breaker. Never seen not sharp window breaker. Maybe it's a different design. 10-20-20, so it's you see, it tells you when this one was made. Okay, and this one probably will have the most push with the finger, as you can see. Look at that. Yeah, it is not easy for sure. So yeah, quite a lot of weight on this thing to push out and unlock and lock in the knife. But yeah, the reason why I bought it, check this out, it just looks like a saw. This is a serrated knife. I love the design. A really thick blade, as you can see. Wow, that's beautiful. USA Combat Tudon TE. You see all these markings? Love it. Oh yeah, this is a knife for my hand. But I'll tell you what, you really have to push to pull out the knife. Perfect for camping or whatnot. Okay, and the last one. I love unboxing knives. This one also a very unique one, as you can see, a mini one, but not so skinny. It's a little bit thicker, and it's a smooth edge, as you can see, versus this one kind of have a sharp edge around here, you see. So it depends what you prefer and what you're comfortable with. Another window breaker maybe, I don't know. Ooh, this one, as you can see, a lot easier to press it on and off. Tornado MTE. Beautiful. Oh, this is so satisfying too, opening it and closing it. Love it. But again, I'm making it look easy. But if you don't have strong hands, weaker hands, you'll have a little bit of more struggle opening and closing it. Beautiful. I love their logo. And it tells you when this one was made, 03/2021. Okay, this is my only Microtech knives so far. I'm definitely gonna be buying more. I really like them all. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in comments below. This is all I got right here. They don't make just these knives. They make all type of knives, even like a machete that doesn't unfold and stuff. So, but this is my first collection of this one, just 5. I have a feeling I will be buying way more. This one's a lot of fun. Beautiful knives.